In this lesson, you will learn how you can track the activity log. So first of all, what is the activity log? Activity log is whenever an entity or record is being created, updated, or deleted. So this is activity log which is maintained on the workspace level in ALM Octane and is accessible from the workspace customization. If you are on the workspace itself, you will see here on the top the activity log. So here you have it, and when you go in, you can see it is sorted by the timestamp. So you can directly see what has been done. The recent thing what I've done is I've linked a defect to a commit. And it was an action update. So basically I can filter here based on the actions in order if I want to find something about a defect which has been deleted. So I can look here for the action, and in the action I can now select deleted, or even delete from recycle bin, generate report, imported entity. So there are different actions you have in ALM Octane, and those are under the action field. You can select the desired one, and the activity log will be update the view. And now you can see when last time the defect was deleted or a defect was deleted. It was on the same day, so today, on the round about 2 hours ago, and it was deleted by my user. And I can also look here into additional details, view the whole history log, what has been done on this specific defect, and have all these entities and entries available in a single view. So beside all the history which you can track using the activity log, you also can track really the activity itself performed by the different users in order to access, update, delete an entity completely from ALM Octane. So nothing is going to be missed out. Also, you can export the whole entity or activity log into Excel, and it will be exported in the same manner like you would do it for a backlog item view or even for a defect view. So I've exported now everything, so it will take around about 10,000 entries. So the last 10,000 entries, for sure there are more. However, this is configurable, so you can configure it on a space level. So you can see the Excel is exported. I can open it here directly, and in Excel you can see the different fields which I selected to be exported, and they are exactly exported in the same format like I've selected in my activity log. So this is basically what Octane provides to capture all the audits, history, and allow you to see everything what has been done in Octane.